because, thanks. Good. Yeah, because it's a lot of fun for me always to see when students have fun with the things that we prepared, and yeah, therefore a warm welcome from my side, and I will also continue and we'll have a lot of chances to discuss during the week. So then I hand over to Nicolas for giving his welcome words.
Yes, thank you, Marc-Oliver. My name is Nicolas Montavont. I'm a professor here at IMT Atlantic, and I'm very happy to see you here. I hope you will enjoy the week. What I especially like in this school is that we have two kinds of sessions. One is the keynote, but we try to make them not too long, so you don't fall asleep. And then we have some hands-on to practice a bit, because IoT is about practicing and seeing the real things. This year we start the big challenges, the project that we will present this afternoon on Wednesday only. So you will have 3 days working on the challenges, and I hope that you will learn things and you will find this cool. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Welcome.
Very good, and then yeah, you can also clap your hands. Yes. And then we also have Sebastian, who is connected with us, and Erkin will put him to the screen.
Yes.
So hello, Sebastian. It's a pleasure. We don't see you yet, but if Erkin puts you full screen, you have to pin him.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's a pity that you cannot be here, but the series typically is alternating between Germany and France, and so next year we're already starting to discuss a little bit with Fabian that we will go again into to Germany probably, and therefore you will have the chance to see Sebastian in person for those participating next year almost certainly. So Sebastian, you're on the screen and the floor is yours.
Good morning, everybody. Sorry for maybe not being perfectly synced. We had some minor audio issues for me to hear what you were saying in the lecture theater, but a warm welcome from my side. It's a great event. I had the pleasure in 2019 to also attend this event in Munich, and I think you are part of an exciting activity that I would like to thank Marc-Oliver very much for doing this so passionate and putting so much effort in organizing such a great event. I'm sure you will have great fun. And from my side, I wish you a great then event, and hope that you take a lot of exciting experiences home with you, and that you also learn new things and meet new people. So enjoy, and I wish you the best possible event under these difficult circumstances. But I'm sure Marc-Oliver and his team did everything to give you the best possible experience. So enjoy. All the best from my side.
Thank you very much, Sebastian, and it's the pleasure is also all mine to have you on board, because it's always a pleasure to work together and do things together, and I'm sure we'll continue doing that. Yeah, so thanks a lot. All right. So now I put a little bit some statistics, and so overall we have 124 people that are registered for the event. We have 18 people on site. We have 9 people via Zoom. We have 76 that are registered for the live stream. Maybe there will be even some more or some less, so we'll see. And therefore also it's good when you share with your friends, because the more people we have, the more interesting, of course. We have 12 staff, and we have 8 keynote speakers. We have 8 keynotes. We have one so-called fireside talk, which will be upstairs on Thursday. We have 2 hands-on sessions, one today by Josephine and one tomorrow by Siemens. We have 4+ challenges that, as Nicolas said, you will start working on Wednesday. We have one social event, which will be tomorrow evening. We have 2 common dinners, today and tomorrow. We'll have a hack night with pizza on Thursday. And we have one beautiful city that we are in that you should also not miss. This is the distribution of applications, just for info. This was just also interesting, dietary restrictions. These were the t-shirt colors. Then now it becomes more topic related. So this is your experience regarding the IoT. On the right side, you have more experience. So most people have medium experience in there. Then IoT security, people are a little bit less experienced. Regarding programming, you have quite good experience, which is good because we'll be programming some things together, especially on today and tomorrow and on all days actually. Regarding machine learning, which might also be interesting in some challenges, you're not so experienced. And yeah, so this was it for the statistics. And now I go to the program. If you don't have it yet, we printed it out enough times, so it's laying at the entrance, so you can also get a program there. So I'll make it a little bit quicker as we are a little bit behind the time. So yeah, I will also introduce the elements once we come there. This will be the program tomorrow. Or let's maybe put it here. So I will do the intro, and then afterwards Josephine will, and then you will do your posters, and then Josephine will do the Celonis data analytics challenges. And then tonight we have the dinner. Tomorrow is the Siemens day, so we have 2 keynotes by Siemens, and we have a nice cybersecurity hands-on challenge with nice prices if the luggage of Fabian is arriving in time. In the evening we have the social event and also a dinner. On Wednesday we have AWS, so we go a little bit into cloud and security there. And we go into virtual reality and digital twins in the afternoon, maybe even with some hands-on. And then you start working on your challenges. Evening at your own disposal, so you can continue with your challenge or you visit the city. So you could make it dependent on the weather a little bit. Then on Thursday we have the open vehicle day with some open source keynote, which is also very interesting, between prototyping and market-ready products, and a fireside talk. And then you'll be working on your challenges. On Friday we have a keynote by Airbus on cybersecurity, and then you will be presenting your challenges, your results of the challenges to the jury. And then in the afternoon we'll also have the winner coronation ceremony, where you will get some prizes for the winning team. And then we end around 3 o'clock. Do you have questions? Everything is clear.